Paragraph writing. A rainy day. Rainy days have a special charm that brings a sense of calm and coziness. As raindrops fall from the sky, they create a soothing rhythm that fills the air. The world outside transforms, colors become richer, and the scent of wet earth rises, making everything feel fresh and alive. People often find joy in staying indoors, curling up with a good book, or sipping warm tea while listening to the rain. Children delight in splashing through puddles, while others enjoy the peaceful sound of raindrops tapping against windows. It's a time for reflection and relaxation, as the grey skies invite us to slow down and appreciate the simple moments. Whether it's the beauty of nature or the comfort of home, rainy days remind us to find joy in stillness and the little things.